Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, July 1st. With 11 new cases reported on Wednesday and the holiday weekend approaching, we felt it was important to post a COVID update. The State Department of Health reports that statewide, 58% of residents have been fully vaccinated, with 63% initiating a vaccine. However, we are seeing a concerning spike in cases this week, mostly among those who are unvaccinated. On Wednesday, we reported 11 new cases, and today, Thursday, July 1st, we have 7 new cases. 5 of the 7 new cases reported today are considered community acquired. 1 case is hospitalized. We are also seeing that most of our new cases are in those who are not vaccinated. In light of our increase in cases, we have asked Lauren Guest, the Public Health Preparedness Planner with the Kauai District Health Office, to provide an update.
Thank you, Mayor. We are seeing a sudden and significant rise in cases on Kauai. This increase in cases represents community spread of disease primarily among unvaccinated residents. The majority of these cases are not related to any previously announced cases, which is highly concerning. We have not identified any new clusters yet, but it is possible we will do so in the coming days. As a reminder, it is critically important that if you are sick, you immediately isolate yourself from others and arrange to be tested for COVID-19. In response to community demand for better access to testing, the Department of Health in the County of Kauai will be offering free COVID-19 testing in the parking lot at Hanalei Elementary School tomorrow, July 2nd from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. We don't know yet whether this increase in community spread is related to the presence of the Delta variant on Kauai, but there's a good chance that it is. We will know more as DOH performs more genomic sequencing, but that information is always delayed by about 2 weeks. To date, we have detected 2 cases of the Delta variant on Kauai. The Delta variant typically doubles its share of disease in a community every 2 weeks. For any variant, the single most effective thing we can do to protect ourselves is to get vaccinated. 1 dose of vaccine provides some protection, but full protection with Moderna or Pfizer requires 2 doses. So it's important that those who have not yet started their vaccine series start now. Every day counts for protecting our community. Statewide, only 2% of cases have been in vaccinated residents. The majority of these vaccine breakthrough cases have been asymptomatic or have experienced mild disease. It is true that vaccine does not protect 100% from all disease, but protection from severe disease, hospitalization, and death is much better than no protection at all. With disease spreading rapidly in our community and knowing that the highly transmissible Delta variant is here, vaccination is our strongest tool. It is safe, effective, widely available, and free for everyone 12 years of age and older.
Mahalo, Lauren, and all of our health partners who are working overtime to get our community vaccinated. Folks, if you've not yet been vaccinated, please consider doing so. I am fully vaccinated, and all members of my household and our mayor's office staff are fully vaccinated. It is safe and effective, and the quickest way for us to contain the spread of COVID on Kauai and help us get back to our normal lives. Particularly with news of the Delta variant being in our community, now is the time for people to get a vaccine. If you can, do it for yourself and your loved ones, especially those who are not eligible. Vaccines are available island-wide, including at several pop-up locations. Clinics are scheduled this Saturday, July 3rd, at Kauai Christian Fellowship in Poipu, Saturday, July 10th at Kekaha Neighborhood Center and Laukona Park in Hanamaulu. The pop-up clinics are sponsored by Ho'olalahui Community Health Clinic in partnership with Malamapono Health Services, the Kauai District Health Office, and the County of Kauai. Vaccines are also available at most pharmacies and all local hospitals and urgent care clinics. For more information on where you can get a vaccine, please visit www.kauai.gov/vaccine. We thank the Department of Health for hosting a free testing site at Hanalei School this Friday, July 2nd from 8:30 to 12:30 p.m. We urge our North Shore community to take advantage of this opportunity to get tested. While you await your test results, it's important to isolate yourself from others, and if you are feeling sick, please contact your healthcare provider. As a reminder, effective July 8, individuals vaccinated anywhere in the United States will be able to bypass the travel quarantine with proof of vaccination through the state's Safe Travels program. Additionally, the inter-island travel quarantine has been lifted. Inter-island travelers are no longer required to complete a Safe Travels profile to travel between islands. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. If you have recently returned from travel or have been around travelers, please get a free COVID-19 test at the convention hall Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. No appointment needed. Please do not show up to the convention hall clinic if you have symptoms, and instead call your healthcare provider. Also effective July 8th, Kauai will be moving to Tier 5, allowing 75% capacity at our restaurants and social gatherings of 25 indoors and 75 outdoors. Once the state reaches 70% of fully vaccinated residents, we will eliminate the tier chart and its restrictions. Help us reach 70% by getting vaccinated. To view Kauai's tier chart, visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. We will not be producing this video on Monday, July 5th, due to the 4th of July holiday. As we continue to see an increase in cases on our island, please be safe and observe precautions over the long weekend. Mahalo for wearing your masks when indoors. Wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe, and remember, I got vaccinated. Mahalo.